I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, October 9th, 2025. Kingston Police said they want residents of the Henderson Place neighbourhood to be aware of ongoing incidents of mischief, which have been occurring since July and include damage to and theft of property. Police detailed that since July, they have received multiple reports of incidents involving damaged windshields and vehicle windows, as well as thefts from vehicles in various locations in the West End neighbourhood. Anyone with information or video footage that may be relevant is asked to contact Detective Constable Brian McMillan via email at bmcmillan@kingstonpolice.ca. Kingston Police are currently investigating a collision that toppled a light post and sent a driver to hospital with life-threatening injuries. The collision, which involved a single vehicle with no passengers, occurred on Bath Road between the Kingston Centre and Palace Road at approximately 11 a.m. on Wednesday, October 8th. A Ford Transit van reportedly hit a concrete pole on the median, and the pole fell over, causing extensive damage to the van. The lone driver was taken to hospital by Frontenac paramedics. Kingston Police have released the following images and are requesting public assistance to identify the person pictured, the suspect in an ongoing arson investigation. The arson took place around 5:15 a.m. on Tuesday, September 30th, in the area of Queen Street and Montreal Street in downtown Kingston. While Kingston Police did not say what was burned, they did confirm that the items were intentionally set on fire. Police described the suspect as being a Caucasian male, tall with black hair and a short black beard, pulling a black canvas wagon. Anyone with information regarding this incident is asked to contact Detective Constable Mike Fleming via email at mfleming@kingstonpolice.ca. Kingston Police say that 2 male suspects in the recent theft at a Bath Road restaurant have now been identified. Police had originally requested the public's assistance to identify the 2 males on Friday, September 26th, the same day that the pair allegedly entered a restaurant on Bath Road in the area of Portsmouth Avenue. According to police, the suspects stole an unspecified amount of cash from the cash register. Many remain stung by Via Rail's recent plan to launch an express Toronto to Montreal service that would bypass Kingston and other Eastern Ontario train stations. However, Via abruptly postponed the 3-month pilot project on Monday, September 29th, citing operational constraints with CN Rail. Mayor Brian Patterson authored a motion at the Tuesday, October 7, 2025 Kingston City Council meeting asking Via Rail to maintain existing passenger service levels in the Toronto to Montreal corridor through Kingston and to commit to enhanced passenger rail service that includes upgrades to the Kingston train station and predictable enhanced service into and out of Kingston. Read more at kingstonist.com. And while you're there, use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.